Hey, what's up, guys? You got Crypto Chuck back here with the group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, guys. And let's get right into it. It says 98% of all Bitcoin is now worth more than when you bought it. If you guys look at it, let's look at the market for real quick and see how everything is going. So if you look at it over the past day, we came in at 375 billion. We're down to 366 billion, so about $9 billion out of the market. But if you look at it on a bigger scale, man, I mean, it's healthy. It's healthy for the market. So I look at the dip buy. So because days like this, you buy and you happy when you see other days where you're like, okay, we're up 20-30% on a lot of these coins. So days like this, you're happy that you bought. So you look at in the last week, we had 356 billion. Now we had 366 billion. So we're up 10 billion for the week. So which is a good thing. And then if you look at the over the last month, we're at 270 billion, and now we are at 300 and pretty much almost 100 billion. So came into the market, which I look at it. I'm happy. So a lot of things don't hold in long term anyway. So yeah, guys, if you look at Bitcoin, you're going to see here, we're getting a lot of volume, big volumes. Looks like a little manipulation, as you can see here with the volume. Not too much price movement, but you see a nice size volume. And then you're seeing here to whereas it's on that 20-day, it hasn't touched it yet. We had that wick coming down on that 20-day. But, it hasn't touched it yet. It's like it's scared that 20-day. It touched it right here briefly, but it came right back up. As you guys see here, guys, it's been scared that 20-day. So, we'll see if it breaks below that. Then, we'll see what we can do after that. But, it seems like a little manipulation going on right now. So, but at the end of the day, I think I still see the bullish. I still see bullish for Bitcoin. I'm still bullish in it. So let's go right to it, guys. So 98% of all Bitcoin is now worth more than when you bought it. At around $12,000, buying Bitcoin has been a profitable activity on 97.6% of all days since April 2013, data confirms. Now, Bitcoin BTC has delivered gains to its holders on almost 98% of all days since 2013, new data confirms. Now, according to a dedicated social media platform based monitoring resource, which tracks profitability, buying Bitcoin has made holders richer on 97.6% of days. Now, if you bought an investment and you're at 97.6%, basically 90% chance you're going to be up and you'll be profitable, if somebody tell you that, and you don't put money into it, then it's on you, man. It's on you. So BTC profitability characteristic of bull runs. Put another way, as on chain analytics service Glassnode noted in its the week on chain weekly report on Monday, 97.6% of Bitcoin unspent transaction outputs are in profit. This means that only 2.4% of UTXOs were created as part of a transaction between wallets, when the BTC price was higher than current levels at around $12,000. Extended periods at this level and above are characteristic of bull runs as BTC moves toward new all-time highs, at which point the metric reaches 100%, Glassnode commented. Now, it said, despite a slight pullback overnight on Tuesday, Bitcoin continued to delight hodlers, with monthly gains still at almost 30%. Retracement for gold and stocks appeared to fuel selling pressure, but under the hood, Bitcoin's fundamentals remain stronger than ever. Fundamentals is key, guys. Fundamentals is key. All right. So it says, as Cointelegraph reported, hash rate has hit its highest ever average rate, while difficulty is set to follow suit at the next readjustment in 4 days' time. Now it says, now bullish evidence mounts. Now it says, continuing, Glassnode added that each time UTXO's profitability passes 95%, it sparks a brief but intense bull run for BTC lasting up to 3 months. So other metrics, meanwhile, suggest that Bitcoin is rather at the start of a longer bull run than at the end of a sudden uptick. specifically Glassnode Compass, which employs a basket of factors to chart Bitcoin's strength, continues to flash firmly bullish. Then the compass continued position in the upper right quadrant provides an optimistic signal of continued bullish sentiment and on-chain activity, the report added. This trend supports the widely circulated speculation that BTC is indeed in the early phases of entering a bull market. You guys can look here and see this Glassnode Compass. You can pause the video here and look at that. Now, I said previously, Cointelegraph noted that Bitcoin's relative strength index, or RSI, was mimicking its performance after the 2016 block subsidy halving, which saw all-time highs of $20,000 a year later. So, guys, you know, after halving, you know, it shows that the price breaks out a few months after you start getting to bullish, a bullish market. So what a lot of people are doing, they following these fundamentals. They're looking at history and seeing how it constantly repeats itself. After every halving, a few months later, you start seeing more bullish sentiment on Bitcoin. And you're just looking at fundamentals and actually just look at these things and saying, okay, you know what? Might be the time where I want to get in. And I just showed you 100 billion came to the market in the last month. If that don't make you move, then I don't know what it is. You know, that's 100 billion came to the market. We lost 9 billion yesterday in the last day. So, you know, think about that. You know what I mean? So you're up. If you bought Bitcoin last month, you're up 90%. So just think about that. Just think about that, guys. So let's just go from there. So, guys, all I'm going to say is stack your sats and chill, baby. Days like today, look at this here. BTC, ETH, LTC, Bitcoin Cash, and EOS. You guys can see these here. I look at these. This is like Black Friday for me, you know. And I don't go all the way in. I'll just grab just a little bit on days like this. And then when those days you're seeing these things are green, you're seeing 6%, you're seeing 8, 9%, you're seeing 8 or 9%. You know, then you're looking up and you're saying, okay, I'm glad I bought on those days. You don't like you don't like the FOMO, you know what I'm saying? So till next time, guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, guys. Visit our podcast. We got a lot of good podcasts going on over there as well. Crypto Black, the Crypto Black Podcast. We're on Apple, we're on Spotify, we're on Google, we're everywhere you need to be. That's where we're at. And visit our website, www.cryptoblack.net. Everything all in one place. The links to everything is below in the description. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Stack, sats, and chill. Crypto Black, baby. We out of here.